The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Boy, we can't believe it. Yeah, what you say?
I'm a jail man, and I jail. Boy, I live now in a 170.
Yeah.
Too long enough.
Yeah. You just come.
I too dads. Find too long enough. The man that move them for the cross wall upon. Where? And I night me go there. I did me that thing I look at a man say, my own.
Yeah.
Turn on the fan. It's a fan. Because I never seen an electric light in my place. And I play much as a fan. I look. A man say, Virgin, turn on the fan, man. So I say, family, I never seen a fan. You have a shorts on a pants. I say, yeah, man, I have my shorts, man. So take off your pants. Lord, let me take off my pants. I saw me in my blood class cell. A wheel. So say me, I'm tired now, I'm going to stop. I say, blood clot like gone. All that's how the man in my lick, I'm test so bow! Immediately like, come on,
Yo, verse 100 man station, no try reach other place.
Him talk it like a joke now. Yeah, him talk it like a joke now. See? I just presented to you a video that shows a person who shared his experience of when he said he went to jail. I want to point it out to each and every one that jail and prison is not a good place to be. See it? Anyways, you can let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you. Alright? And with that, I'm going to move on to another video. Now, the next video I'm going to present to you. This video is going to show Tony Matterhorn and Spragga Benz. This video also shows other persons as well. This video shows some things that are said to be guns. See? And I'm going to present the video to you first, and then I point out a few things about this video, because I got the understanding that negative and positive comments had been made on social media about this video. Alright? Now, before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
burn you in a yacht. Yeah. I'm going to give you this.
Right. Well, listen.
Once you see this, you know.
You listen to me.
Yeah.
Serious. I'm saying serious.
Now, if those things that are said to be guns are actually real guns, then I think that they are licensed firearms. You understand? You see? And I'm also wondering if Tony Matterhorn and Spragga Benz actually own any of those things that are said to be guns. You see me? See? Now, Spragga Benz is a Jamaican musician and a movie star. So I'm also wondering if those things are the kind of fake guns that are used to do video shoots or movies. You see me? Look, viewers and subscribers, and everyone are going to do foolishness on social media. See? So, those are the things I'm thinking about. You see me? Anyways, big up to Spragga Benz and big up to Tony Matterhorn, you know, and big up to each and every one shown in the video. And you, my viewers and subscribers, can let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you. And with that, I'm going to move on to another video. Now, some time ago, I posted a video that shows a man who said some things that gave me the understanding that he said that he's having erectile dysfunction because he was infected with the COVID-19. And I also got the understanding that a video had been posted on social media that shows a person saying some things that are considered to be rude towards the man who said that he's having erectile dysfunction because he was infected with the COVID-19. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a female who said some things that gave me the understanding that she's defending the man who said that he's having erectile dysfunction because he was infected with the COVID-19. Now, I want you to take a look at this video and I want you to listen to the things that this female said and tell me if you agree or if you disagree with the things that she said, all right? Alright, now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Hi, I have never ever done a personal post that I would hope would go viral. But this post, I am really hoping that it does. I don't normally get involved in social issues. I don't normally get involved with what we call in Jamaica cas and you know horrible things that happen. I don't normally comment on them, but this one I have to. You see, I've been a human being for almost 42 years, and I've been a PR professional for approximately 20 of those, and there is a way of doing things. I last night saw a post by a prominent gym here in Jamaica, and it was so absolutely distasteful. It is so disgusting, and I have sat down for 12 hours almost and wondered what godly intention could anyone have to put down, to defame, to shame someone in the way that this post did. I am not friends with the person who posted the original video. As a matter of fact, we've only ever met each other in work. But I will say that I respect the person who came up there at 25 years of age to say, hey, Jamaica, I have had a problem because of COVID with erectile dysfunction. And here I am just, being vulnerable to everyone out there so that you can know some of the things that are not being talked about. And I respect a man, a 25-year-old man, who is willing to do that on behalf of his country. There is no intention that young man could have had other than to help his brothers and sisters. What else could he have sought to gain? Certainly not his reputation, certainly not his own credibility. His single intention would have been to help people. And to think someone would find it okay to go and create a post to shame him and to bully him. Well, I'm going to tell you my professional opinion on that. We do not, under any circumstance, have to shame and bully people and put them down in order to uplift our own brand, to uplift our own expertise. There are many things that I know. There are many things that I see other PR professionals doing that I know is wrong or different. But under no circumstance can I use their content, or should I, to bully them and to shame them for my own need, for my own ego, to increase my own following, for my own publicity. So what I want to do is tell you how that could have been handled. That same gym could have easily taken that video and reposted it and said, hey guy, I see what you've said. I see that maybe you may have had some pre-existing conditions that could have left you with having these side effects. You know what? Come in. Allow me to help you. Allow me to support you. My team is on standby to be with you, to help you. Here are some of the things that we would like to help you with. That is how you do proper marketing. That is how you do proper communication. That is how you're collaborative. That is how you are respectful. We use our social media platforms, our PR mechanics to uplift, to make better, to build people. That's how we should be as human beings to each other. I am so upset by this, knowing that there was another way that you could have achieved the exact same thing and show a man support, show love, respect him for his vulnerability. More people would have respected your page if you had chosen that strategy instead. Jamaica and the world, social media can be a very, very positive influence, but it can also be extremely negative. Look at someone's intentions. That man was trying to help Jamaica. Under no circumstance should he be bullied. Under no circumstance should he be shamed. Under no circumstance should his page have been gone through to find things about him that were imperfect. You could go through my entire Instagram page right now and find things that are absolutely perfect. But maybe we could use those opportunities to uplift each other. Maybe we could even do it for our own marketing. Maybe we could even be so self-interested with what we want to do, but do it in a way that shows respect, that shows love, that shows integrity. Absolutely had to make this statement on behalf of all of well-thinking, loving Jamaicans. Craig, I salute you for what you did. I pray your continued healing. And as for the gym that posted that horrendous video, I ask that you apologize. I ask that you actually call Mr. Pow himself and apologize and offer him support. And one thing I ask of you is never to use social media to shame and bully anyone. It is not right. It is not loving. It is not human.
I agree with everything this female said. See? This man shared his experience of when he caught the COVID-19. See? And I think that a situation like that is a serious situation. I don't see no joke in it. You see me? This person could have acted selfish and never decided to let anyone know how the COVID-19 affected him, but yet still he made it possible for persons to know how the COVID-19 affected him. In my point of view, I think he's trying to help the people within the country of Jamaica. Who knows, maybe people outside of Jamaica as well. See? So I do not think a video like that is no joke. No, I don't think so. See? And as I said in the previous video that I posted, I think that he was brave to do something like that. Yeah, I think so. See? So big him up. And big up the female shown in that video that I just presented to you. Alright? And as for anyone who said anything bad about the person, I think that those persons should really and truly look within themselves and try and understand what they are doing. And know that it is not good to disrespect or to tear down someone who is trying to make a positive impact on social media. You see me? Now here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. So let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you in this video. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.